Hi, my name is Mustafa, and this is
And my name is Basara.
we were asked to create a turtle window that will make a turtle go back and forth in a window over and over. So to make this, we had to use the rubric set by the teacher to set out the outline, and we used the hints a lot because you already provided us with the outlines for the numbers, like the window size and everything other. So we had to solve the problems we had with the input and output. To solve the input and output, we started with importing turtle and importing random. Uh, the input was set to make the GUI window. We had to recreate the assignment, so we had to make it exactly how you showed us was, and the output was the exact shape of the window.
Mhm.
Give me a second. All right, so this is our code, and we created this a couple days ago. So we started off with import turtle. This was to create the turtle because we're going to be needing it for the window. And the next one was importing random. Right after we imported the random, we created the window. To
Yeah,
start
here
the window. All right, you can go.
in the window we just made a screen, create a screen for showing our turtle. And here is the setup of our turtle weight and height. It should be 500 to 500 pixels. And here the window title, that the title should be Turtlebounce. It just shows when we run it.
Mhm. After we created the window title, we made the turtle object. So the turtle object we chose was Yoshi. So while we created the turtle object, we made the turtle shape a turtle because we need a turtle for the window. After we created the turtle shape, we had to set the position with pen up so that it doesn't leave a line. After we set the position at 0, 0, that means it's going to be at the center of the window. And we set right after that, we put forward 5 pixels because so that it moves forward 5 pixels every time. Afterwards, we used a while true statement. The reason why we used a while true statement is to set up the direction so that we can make it random. So we created the variable direction and it was equal to random range 360 so that it goes anywhere in a random direction from a 360 angle. Afterwards, we set the headings for direction so that it goes in a random direction. Afterwards, we found the X and Y position. So at the end of each one, we find the position of X and Y. Afterwards, we use another while statement for the absolute value of X and the absolute value of Y. We divided it by 2 so that it could fit the window exactly because absolute value means positive and negative. So we only had to do it twice, one for the X value and one for the Y value. And we made it move one time. We made it move forward another 5 pixels. Right after we make it move 5 pixels, we have to find the position again so that it doesn't go past the absolute value, which is 250. We made an if statement at the end for each X coordinate and Y coordinate. We made it a negative 250 because the absolute value divided by 2 is 250. So we did it for every single side, which is negative 250, positive 250 for the X and Y value. And we made it so that if it goes over, if it's greater than this, it's going to move backwards. So once it reaches the end of the window, it moves backwards. And here's the test.
Yeah, here is the result. Just
Yeah, the turtle keeps going back. And that is all.